Hi, I'm Kim Sauer at Apex 2017, joined by Brian D'Amico from Mirtec. Brian, great to see you. Apex 2017, this time we're in San Diego. Now, you're present here again, so tell me what's new.
Okay. Oh, here at the show, we introduced our very first 3D desktop machine. It's called the MV3 Omni. And what's really cool here is this machine has got all of the bells and whistles that we have on our MV6 Omni system, which is, of course, our best-selling unit out there. We sold over 500 machines last year. Did very, very well with it. So now we took that and we put it into a 3D system. So what that really does is it lowers the price point now, right? So the people who, of course, Mirtec has got awesome technology, but it's a matter of affording that technology. And also, even a lot of companies, an inline system may not be what they require, right? There's quite a few manufacturers that are actually doing inspection as kind of an island, and having a conveyorized system is kind of overkill for them. So what we did was we took our 15 megapixel co-express camera system with our OmniVision, our 3D OmniVision head, right, multi-frequency, digital multi-frequency, and we put that into a desktop system, and we have a prototype in our booth, which is running well. Now the commercialized version for this is actually going to be available in April. I'm going to be going out to the NEPCON Korea show, but this prototype system has done very well, and the interest has been astounding, quite frankly. I thought that it filled a very good niche, and it absolutely does.
So it's like a soft launch here, I guess.
It is.
Testing the market, testing the feedback. And you said it's a desktop solution.
Yeah.
Now, probably, and correct me if I'm wrong, but on the American market, there are probably a lot of smaller shops, maybe even the medium size, that require exactly that. It's scalable, it's flexible. So, are you answering the needs of particular types of manufacturing or particular industries? Where are you going with the
solution? What it
solution?
really comes down to is and what's kind of strange is that if you talk to the people who are selling, of course, inline AOI equipment or SPI equipment, typically, it's kind of strange, but typically people aren't running them inline. I mean, I'm not going to say typically, I'm going to say probably a good maybe 30% of the time, they're not running them inline. They're just using them as an island. So quite frankly, all you're really doing is taking a conveyorized system and having it sitting there. Now, there's some large organizations, and I can't say the names, but large organizations that have purchased our desktop equipment. We have the best-selling desktop equipment in the world. Now I think we're kind of beating that with ourselves with that 3D machine. But I mean, we've put this into very large manufacturers as well. It really comes down to the certain application. If batch inspection makes sense, whether you're a small player or a big player, right? Small company or large, if batch inspection makes sense, this is the right solution, rather than spending the extra dollars for a conveyorized system.
And 3D, how does the 3D aspect resonate with your customers?
Oh, it does all, absolutely. Well, 3D is everything right now, right? 3D is a very big buzzword out there, and that's what all of these industries, all of the vendors are actually coming out with 3D technology. So the fact that we have that now in a desktop unit, it doesn't exist out there. So it's being very, very well received. For the most part, 2D technology does a very good job still, and there's absolute requirement for that. But customers and contract manufacturers, OEMs, really, really know that 3D technology really takes them to the next level. You get a heck of a lot less false calls, and then you get the accuracy you would get from a true measurement tool. Being able to measure the length, width, and height of the devices, tell if you have a coplanarity issue with, say, an 0105 device or an 0201, being able to measure lead lift within 1 micron resolution, those kind of things, you can't get that from 2D. So 3D is the next logical step, and now it's just a matter of making it able so that certain people who may not be able to afford or may not require an inline system now have a solution.
Excellent. Well, good luck with the soft launch and then the launch in, where did you say, Korea?
Korea.
Next step, Korea. Thank you very much for your time here.
My pleasure. Thank you.